All right, well, I'm sure I've overpacked. I have the new Expedition bags. I'm trying to get my system all set up for a nice trip down the coast. So I'm doing a short 45-mile trip down to South Carlsbad Beach from my home here in Ramona. And as you can see, a lot of extra stuff on the bike. Well, it's certainly heavier than the bike packers put together. So far it hasn't caused much problem. It slows me down on the uphills. A bit bulky. The shocks will bottom out on a big hill. But then again, I didn't adjust them prior to this trip, so I'll have to do that when I get back to my tools. But so far, having a great time. I've been about 10 miles heading down to the coast. It's about a 45-mile ride total. Anyway, I'm gonna get back on the road. Oh, we're having a good time now. This is the steepest part of the hill. We're heading down to the coast. You can see it in the distance. About, I don't know, 35 miles left to go. Beautiful day, having a great time. It's a really nice bike path that goes all the way down to the ocean. Runs around Highway 56. Very convenient, very beautiful, and separated from traffic.